Hi everyone, I'm CJ, the shop floor manager here at Enercon. I spent years overseeing the production of industrial control panels, and one thing I can tell you for sure is that quality assurance and testing are non-negotiable. When you're outsourcing your control panels, you need to know they'll work right the first time and every time. In this episode, we're taking a deep dive into the testing process, what it looks like, why it matters, and how it ensures your panels perform exactly as they should. A good outsourcing partner doesn't just assemble panels and ship them out. They put them through rigorous testing to ensure reliability, safety, and compliance with industry standards. At Enercon, we follow a detailed, multi-step approach to ensure every panel we build is ready for the field. First, it starts with the component verification. Before assembly even begins, we inspect and confirm that every part going into the panel meets design, specifications, and quality standards. That includes relays, circuit breakers, wiring, and every other critical component. Using subpar or incorrect parts can lead to major failures, so catching issues early is the key to ensuring reliability to the final product. Next is functional testing, where we simulate real-world operating conditions to verify that everything is working properly. We check voltage, current, signal responses, and overall panel performance to make sure that the panel is operating exactly as intended. This is a crucial step because even a minor wiring issue or programming error could cause problems in the field. By testing each panel before it leaves our facility, we eliminate the risk of costly troubleshooting and downtime later on. For more complex systems, we take it to a step further in full system integration testing. This means connecting the control panel to other equipment or systems it will interact with in the field. This allows us to ensure seamless integration and troubleshoot any potential issues before the panel reaches your site. Whether it's a power distribution panel, an automated system, or a specialized military application, testing the full system integration helps to guarantee everything will work together smoothly. At Enercon, we've built control panels for some of the toughest conditions out there, from desert heat to freezing cold and even seismic-rated applications. While we don't perform environmental testing in-house, we engineer our panels to meet those demands and ensure they comply with the necessary standards for the environments they'll operate in. We work closely with our customers to make sure their panels are designed for real-world challenges they'll face. Finally, documentation and reporting wrap up the process. After testing, we provide detailed reports so you can see exactly what's been checked and verified. This transparency gives you confidence that your control panel meets the highest industry standards and is ready to go to work. A well-documented testing process isn't just about compliance, it's about giving you a peace of mind that your panel performed exactly as expected. At Enercon, we take testing seriously because we know that failure is not an option. A reliable, well-tested control panel isn't just about avoiding downtime, it's about keeping your operations running smoothly and safely. In our next and final episode, we'll talk about the cost and long-term benefits of outsourcing, breaking down the numbers and showing you why outsourcing can be a smart investment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.